Hey there mga my loves, air signs, Libra, Gemini, and Aquarius. Before we start your reading, reminders na hindi lahat kayo ay makaka-resonate, kaya naman, just choose only the messages you think are for you. And if you feel that this reading is for you, then this reading might be really for you. So our content mga babes, no, is about, we're gonna take a look at who is this person coming towards you in divine timing in love or heart space department. Kaya naman mga babes, no, please be reminded as well na wala tayong gender dito. Babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, you're all welcome here mga babes. Just please apply this into your own unique situation. Kaya naman tingnan natin kung sino tong paparating sa inyo guys, no, in divine timing in love. Alright, so spirits and angel guides, can you please show us who is this person coming towards Libra, Gemini, and Aquarius in love in divine timing? Spirits and angel guides, can you please show us who is this person coming towards Libra, Gemini, and Aquarius when it comes to love? Thank you. Okay. So we have here the proposal. Wow, your romantic romance is about to evolve and level up. So whoever this individual is, no, there could possibly be engagement that's gonna happen between the both of you guys, no. Pwedeng you've already met this person, no. So pwedeng nakilala mo na siya at pwedeng meron na kayong connection or relationship right now. So I'm kind of picking up right here that this person wants to take that relationship to the next level, no. So proposal or engagement right here, this person wants to marry you and be with you, no, na ikaw ang makasama niya sa kanyang lifetime, no. And also I'm gonna picking up right here, no, that this individual could possibly be, no, para dun sa mga wala pang label. I can see right here that magkakaroon na ng label or status ang inyong relationship right here, no, as in pag-ascend sa kung ano man ang connection na meron kayo ngayon. So pwedeng kung friends kayo ngayon, no, friends turning to lovers right here, no, or boyfriend girlfriend turning to engagement, and then somehow, no, kung kayo ay engaged na, no, marriage will happen between the both of you. So wow mga babes, no, chukahe, ano, congratulations sa inyo mga may loves. And let's see, we also have here the, oh, it could possibly be an unexpected connection right here, like opposites attract. So whoever that individual is, no, pwedeng siya ay unexpected mong makilala, like literally, no, pwedeng somewhere or hindi talaga inaasahan, no, like literally hindi planado. So pwedeng mga babes, no, nakukuha ko rito kunwari inimbitahan kasi isang birthday or event or party, no, at ikaw naman ay parang napilitan lang ganun or labag sa loob mo, no, or naaya ka lang o kaya kinidnap ka ng mga friends mo, no, yan, no, kinidnap in a way na parang dahil ayaw mo sa mama, no, halika na sa mama kasama yun, lang magagawa, yan, no. It's an unexpected connection in that person. You could possibly be meeting that person there, no. So opposites attract, no, kayo ng kakonek mo ngayon, no, whether you're in relationship or paparating pa lang to, no, marami kayong differences, no, pero nakikita ko kayong nagkakasundo. It's like a Tom and Jerry could possibly be at first, or Tom and Jerry kayo forever, pero alam niyo yun, no, hindi kayo rito nakikita ko na maghihiwalay. So you could possibly be meeting this person unexpectedly, like literally, no, dun sa mga I'm picking up mga sitwasyon na hindi mo talaga inaasahan or pwedeng ayaw mong puntahan pero nagpakita ka ron or bumungad ka doon, yan, no. So whatever the case may be, no, I'm seeing right here, it could also be twin flame, no. There could possibly be a yin and a yang energies right here, no. But whoever this individual is, no, you will meet this person unexpectedly. And also we have here the rekindle, no, an old flame returns, no. So it could possibly be means mga babes, no, others of you, not for all of you, pwedeng ang few lang, no guys, no, pwedeng ito ay ang inyong past lover, no, na parang gusto niya ulit na i-revive or i-CPR ang inyong relationship, no, kumbaga parang gusto niya ulit na parang love is sweeter the second time around, no, or I'm also getting this vibe, no, that this new person, because I'm also picking that up, no, for you guys, no, this person could possibly be, no, darating sa buhay mo, no, that new lover ay darating sa buhay mo kapag ka bumalik na tong ex mo or nagparamdam itong muli sa'yo. So, please, just take how this resonates, no? So, Libra, Gemini, and Aquarius, mga babes, yun na nakukuha ko for you guys. And also, I'm picking up right here, no, that this could possibly happen, mga babes, no, na pwede rin na ito, dahil dito sa ex-person ninyo, mga babes, na maaaring makilala mo siya. Yung iba, mga babes, no, hindi ito yung past person ninyo, pero pwedeng ang past person ninyo, I'm picking up na parang key, no, like literally susi para kayo ay magtagpo nitong new person na to, which is I think yung mas talagang nakatakda for you. So ever this individual is, but still you have free will, mga babes, ha, no, kasi I'm also channeling the messages, no, that I'm getting right here, no, para kasi mabigyan ko kayo ng more information about this reading. So, going back here, no, I'm getting also as well intuitively that whoever this individual is, no, pwedeng yung ex mo or yung past person mo, the one you had history with, ang maging susi para makita mo itong new person na to. Like, literally, no, pwedeng ayaw mo pumunta dun sa birthday niyo kasi nandoon yung ex mo, no? Or baka yung ex mo yung nag-imbita sa'yo doon, no? Pero ayaw mo pumunta, kind of thing, no? Ando dun ka lang because ando dun yung mga common friends ninyo, no? At maaring dun mo rin makilala itong tao na ito, no? Which is a new lover right here, no? So, iba naman, mga babes, no? Magpo-propose yung person ninyo or yung ka-in relationship ninyo sa inyo, no? Kasi, mga babes, natatakot siya rito na baka bumalik kayo sa inyong ex-person, no? Kasi yung picking up right here, no? Kapag dumating na tong ex ninyo or bumalik siya sa buhay ninyo, no, parang makakaramdam ng fear or ng takot itong new person ninyo na mawala kayo sa buhay niya, no. Kaya parang ang nakikita ko rito, no, is parang mamadali siya rito, no, na ang kanya ay kanya lang, no, at ikaw yung tinutukoy niya. Ooh! Yun yung magiging parang magpapapurso sa kanya, no, na mag-propose na sa'yo, no, ng marriage or maging boyfriend or girlfriend ka naman niya, no, para sa iba. And also, I'm getting right here the love language affirmations. No, loving words hold great power. So, this person could possibly be sweet person, no, at mukhang very communicative ito sa'yo, no. This person is expressing you how he or she feels towards you, no. I'm also getting this kind of vibe, no, na pag busy siya, hindi mo nararamdaman na busy siya, no, kasi this person makes you feel na parang lagi siyang nandiyan dyan, no, kahit nasa meeting siya, nagre-reply siya sa'yo, no, very communicative, no. This person always makes sure na parang hindi niya maiparamdam sa'yo na nanineglect ka niya in some way. So, this is probably, no, the type of person na pwedeng sweet siya or baka pag nagchat-chat siya or nagte-text siya sa'yo, no, or kahit tumatawag, no, malambing yung kanyang mga sinasabi, no. So, this person, I think, no, hindi yun ka-plastikan or what, because I'm getting this kind of vibe, no, that those sweet words are coming really from his or her heart. Oh, so we also have this, guys, no, some elements of this relationship are hidden. All right, no, I think, mga babes, no, but this is I'm picking two things right here, no. This guys over here, no, gives me this kind of message that if it is your ex that wants to rekindle your love once again, no, I'm kind of picking up right here that when this person comes back into your life, no, this person could possibly be telling you the truth kung ano nangyari sa inyo last in your past relationship, no, kung bakit siya nawala, kung bakit siya umalis, kung bakit nag-end, or i-explain niya yun sa'yo, pero hindi niya sasabihin lahat. That's what I'm getting. Okay? So, parang medyo, I think, magkakaroon lang doon na parang pwedeng hindi niya sabihin lahat, no, pero pwede rin naman na meron siyang i-twist ng konti, no, para magmukha na parang patawarin mo siya. Kasi yun ang goal niya, no, para i-win yung forgiveness mo. Okay, so yung nakikita ko dito. So, this could possibly be, no, somewhat on your past person side, no, with this guys right here, no. And also, I'm picking up right here, no, na if this is a new person right here with this guys, no, I'm kind of picking up, no, na di ba bibilis, no, yung pagpo-propose niya sa inyo or pagtatapat ng emotions and feelings niya sa iyo or pagpo-propose ng kasal or pagkakaroon ng label naman para sa iba sa relationship, no, hindi niya sasabihin na because your ex is right there, no, and because hindi niya sasabihin in a way na, how can I express this? Hindi niya sasabihin sa inyo na because of fear, yan, na because of fear or because natatakot siya na baka mawala kayo sa buhay niya. Okay? I mean, baka piliin niyo yung ex niyo, no? Kasi ayaw niya na mag-isip kayo na parang wala ba siyang tiwala sa inyo, kind of thing. No? Kaya ba siya nagmamadali dito, ganyan, no? Pero this person, mga babes, pwedeng ilihim niya yun sa'yo kung bakit siya biglang nagtapat ng kanyang feelings and emotions sa'yo, no? Kasi natatakot siyang mawala ka. Oh! Let's get to know more about this person who's coming towards you in love and divine timing. This is for Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, please. Or baka nung una pa lang, no, mga babes, no, kung yan ay hindi pa nagtatapat ng emotions and feelings niya para sa'yo, pwedeng tinago niya rin yun ng matagal, no, pero hindi niya na, alam mo yun, no, parang I'm getting this kind of vibe, no, na parang, di ba, pag nagsusot ka ng face mask, ang init, no, tapos tatanggalin mo, parang feeling mo nakalanghap ka ng fresh air. Kahit nasa Maynila kayo, mga ganun, no, parang na-relax ka, no, parang gumaan yung pakiramdam niya. No? So, this person could possibly be matagal ka na rin niyang gusto. Tell me more about this person who's coming towards my air signs in love in divine timing. Okay. We're getting that. Yeah, exactly. Tignan mo, hindi niya na kayang pigilan. We have the Six of Swords in reverse and the Hierophant. So, ever this individual wants higher level of commitment with you, with the Hierophant, no, na hanggang marriage talaga, no, hanggang lifetime it is, na gusto niya yun, na ikaw ay makasama, no. Kaya hindi ko siya nakikita, mga babes, no, na umaatras rito. Kaya tuloy-tuloy na, no. Kasi kapag ganito to, slow moving, mga babes, because we've got this in reverse, no. This gives me this kind of message, no, na talagang pinupurso niya na ito, lalo na, no, pagdating ng ex mo, yan yung hudyat na magtatapat na siya ng emotions and feelings, no, kasi bumabalik yung past person right here, no. Sinubukan niya rin, mga babes, no, napigilan yung damdamin niya sa'yo, especially yung mga wala pang label dyan, or status ninyo is parang MU pa lang, pero hindi mo pa siya matatawag na kanya officially, no. So that person tries to hide with the disguise, no, ang kanyang feelings and emotions para sa'yo, pero wala, lumalabas talaga. No, this person, pwedeng nakakwentuhan niya yung common friends ninyo, or baka may sarili siyang mga friends or circle of friends dito na parang, ang hirap, hindi ko alam kung ipagtatapat ko na ba dito kay air sign yung nararamdaman ko. Ano bang gagawin ko dito, pre? Mga ganyan, no? Kasi sobrang mahal ko na siya, Ace of Cups energy. Gusto ko mag-offer sa kanya ng love dito. Ayan. Magtapat ka na kasi, pre. Yung mga gano'n, no? So, I'm kind of picking up right here, no, mga babes. So, whoever this individual is, no, I'm kind of picking up, no, na darating siya, no, after mag-sorry or apologize ng ex-person mo sa'yo. Or magtatapat siya ng emotions and feelings, or para sa iba na may in relationship ka na with the new person, no, I'm kind of picking up right here, no, that person, no, is magpo-propose sa'yo with a ring, no. So, ever that individual is, no, that person, medyo, mga babes, no, hindi man naman as in, parang mapagkakalataan dito na parang nagmadali siya or whatsoever, no, pero parang ganun, no. At first, mga babes, no, gusto niya lang malaman dito yung damdamin mo. Okay, kung ikaw ba ay pipiliin mo siya or yung past mo rito. no? So, pwede rin kasing ganun. Kasi little gesture of proposal lang, not extravagant, not big, no? Kasi, because of fear, parang nabigla siya, kinabahan siya, natakot siya. Ayan, no? Kasi nagbalik yung person from the karaan at mukhang alam niya no, na sobrang mong minahal yung tao na yun. Okay? So, yeah. So, ever this individual is with the Page of Wands energy right here, no, the communication that's gonna happen between the both of you is really something big because this person wants to marry you. See? 10 of Coins energy. I can see you growing up with each other. Like, literally, tatanda kayo na magkasama at parehas kayo mga babes, no, na magiging successful sa inyong mga careers, no? Yun ang nakikita ko dito. A lot of money. You will enjoy life, living together, traveling, no, around the world, no, or different tourist spots right here, no. I can see right here, no, that you will have kids or children, no, yan. At nakikita ko dito na mabibigyan nyo sila ng magandang education because this person right here has something to do with communication, no. Sabi ko sa iyo, little gesture of communication right here with the Page of Wands, no. And at the back of the communication, it's something this. See? 10 of Coins energy. So, it's an all-in-one, no, all-in-one package for me, na because 10 of Coins, it's stability when it comes to money and it's stability when it comes to commitment right here. No, this person really, no, wants to invest emotions, his or her life, gusto niya i-share sa'yo rito yung mga pinaghirapan niya before kahit nung hindi ka pa dumadating sa buhay niya. May mga napundar na siya no, at gusto niya yung i-share sa'yo. So, ever this individual is, this person could possibly be younger than you because we're seeing lots of pages, no, right here, no. Pwede rin naman na I'm getting specific message na baka siya ay single mom or single dad but doesn't have to be for all of you. Pero kung sino siya mga babes, no, isa ka sa wish fulfillment niya. Okay? At gusto niya na makuha niya yun. Kaya siya nagtitake ng action dito. Okay? Because isa sa mga pangarap niya dito ang makasama ka, no? At ang maging girlfriend ka or maging asawa ka niya. So, ever this individual is, no, this person, isa lang yung takot niya rito. Ang mawala ka sa buhay niya at maagaw ka ng iba. Oh! So, hindi ko na nakikita mga babes, no? Naaatras pa tong tao na to, no? Sa pagpapahayag ng pagmamahal at damdamin niya para sa'yo. Kaya naman, mga babes, tsukahe! Yan, congratulations, no? Kasi itong tao na to ay talagang minamahal at mahal ka. Alright, pero at the end of the day, free will pa rin kasi yung ibang mga babes, no? Nakikita ko na bumabalik sa kanilang ex-person, no? It's your decision, you know what to do. Alam ko na malaki na kayo, guys. No, and alam ko naman, no, na kung ano yung pipiliin ninyo, no, yun ang desisyon na sa tingin yung best for you. So, you have your free will, no, you can use that. Alright, so, sana kayo everyone, love and light. Bye guys!